Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn and write 20 common phrasal verbs. We will also learn their meanings. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. First one is call off. Call off means to cancel something. Next, look after. Look after means to take care of someone or something. Next is turn down. Turn down means to refuse or reject something. Next is come across. Come across means to find or meet unexpectedly. Next, set up. Set up means to establish or arrange something. Next is get along. Get along means to have a good relationship. Next phrasal verb in our list is put off. Put off means to postpone something. Next is take off. Take off means to remove clothing or to become successful quickly. You can use in either cases. Next is bring up. Bring up means to mention something or raise a topic. Next is go through. Go through means to examine or experience something. Next is break down. down means to stop functioning or to divide into parts. Next is figure out. Figure out means to understand or solve something. Next is give up. Give up means to stop trying. Next is hold on. Hold on means to wait or grip tightly. Next is run out. Run out means to exhaust the supply of something. Next is turn up. Turn up means to appear or increase in volume. Next is go on. Go on means to continue or happen. Next is look forward to. Look forward to means to anticipate or to be eager for something. Next is put up with. Put up with means to tolerate or endure. Last one, bring about. Bring about means to cause something to happen.